What is up, everyone? Today's video, I'm going to be trying to revive these two engines out here. This one is I think a Tecumseh Power Sport engine, and this one, no idea. But I'm going to take them back in the shop and see if I can get them running. So, I messed around with this one, and the only issue with it is it has no kill switch or on-off button. Since this one we ripped off the motorbike in the last video. And I don't know. The other one though does have a kill switch. I just don't know why it won't start. I mean, there's gas in there that is covered and stuff. Yeah, because the kill switch is supposed to go right here. But I do not have a kill switch for that. So I'm just gonna go get the other one, since that one will be a little bit more of a challenge. Both these engines did run when I took them off. This one had way more issues since the gas tank is extremely loose. I don't know what that is going on. But has an on-off switch and no pull start. Plus this thing is extremely locked up. Now I can start it with a drill. Yeah, it's got gas in there, but I don't even know where the gas cap is gone. The gas tank is extremely loose and it's locked up. The oil might need drained, but it's got oil in there. I don't know how good it is though. Let me go grab the drill and see if I can turn this over. We also need to tighten up the spark plug. Alright, I'm gonna get the spark plug tightened down a little bit. It says this is the spark plug attachment, but that ain't fitting on there. This is good. Put it around. When you're doing a spark plug, you don't want to get it too tight at all. Just tight enough to stay in there. Spark plug should have oil in it. This thing, I don't know what is going on. When I had this on the Yerf dog, this thing was so the oil wouldn't get all over, but this entire thing is loose too. This thing's gonna need a lot more work. I'm just gonna try to loosen this up because it is. Whew, that is locked up. Oh man. Let me try to go this way. It might be the right way. Oh my god. What the heck? Yeah, that is extremely locked up, which is not good at all. Shoot. Must have rusted itself in or something. I don't even know. Yeah, that's not even gonna move. Dang. Yeah, I need a drill or something. I came to the conclusion this engine is no longer usable since it is locked up, missing a ton of bolts. I mean, the whole gas cap was destroyed. And look at this mess of just holes all over that. Throttle was seized right there. Who knows if the carburetor is any good? I think the carburetor is good. But I'm gonna deem this a lost cause and stick it back there. And since this thing is never gonna go on another go-kart, I'm just gonna leave it. Let it rot, and maybe it'll be a good parts engine since it's got a good spark plug. And you've got this good carburetor air and air filter down here. While we're here, I'm just going to just gut this thing. Just take everything off of it that I still want to save. Oh man, this like air filter's not even attached to the carburetor. It's hilarious. That's a dirty. It's not too bad. I mean, look at how dusty that is in there. Yeah. I don't know. Take the air filter off of it and shove it on back there where it came from. Alright, I guess try to get the other one working, and I think I have an idea. Since I haven't hooked up the kill switch on the motorbike yet to its new engine, I might as well just try to get this one working and hook the old kill switch right back up. So, I'm going to get all these links tied in and see if it'll start. That one's hooked back up. This one, I don't even know why that is even there. Let's try to just shift this wire a little bit. This engine will be used again. I don't know if you saw in the beginning of the video that blue go-kart sitting out there, but this engine will be going on that one. Twist these together and wrap it up, I guess. I don't really need to wrap it. Alright, turn that on. And let's see if this sucker will start up. So the gas is on. Put it on choke. This thing is so stiff. Get her set. Come on. Look at that. This thing is running great. This is going to be the perfect engine for that little go-kart. Yeah, that thing used to be on there, and now look at that engine. Perfect. That thing is running crisp. I can't wait to get that blue go-kart working. That'll probably be the next restoration video. Yeah. Woo. Well, we got one engine running. The other one, I think I'm just gonna leave. This one I'll probably keep in here since now we know it's running. I'll just shove it over there by that 212 box. Well, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll make sure to see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned where we put this engine on that blue go-kart frame. That'll probably be the next video that's released. See you next time.